my first time here. It's kind of a small little surf town, and I'm in a beautiful villa called Villa Magnon, I believe it's pronounced. Sorry, my French is lacking. But I thought we'd do a little summer styling video because I have a 50-pound suitcase. LOL that I thought I was going to bring a carry-on on this trip. But I just had a lot of things I was excited to wear, and unfortunately, I feel like a lot of the last trips I've been on, I pack really cute summery stuff and it ends up being like 60 degrees Fahrenheit and cloudy. So I haven't even gone to wear a lot of this. All the more reason to do it together with you and maybe talk through some of the trends and some of the pieces that I'm loving for summer. And a little bit about my process in putting together outfits, a little bit of my process of packing, which mainly I just pack in outfits. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, so the first look that I have with me is this vintage polka dot skirt from Shop Silver. It's like purple with green polka dots. And I styled it with this little Mango X Cedrus halter top. Obviously a bit like 90s Y2K, but I'm having like a polka dots attack right now. I just decided that they're back. I'm obsessed with them. It's so funny how these things happen because I really didn't think about polka dots for the longest time or like want them in my wardrobe at all. But now we are. So here we go. I got this bag from Clio Camp. It's an LA designer. It's like a handmade silver leather bag, and it's been my MVP for summer travels. It holds everything. It has a zipper, and I'm just like wearing her to the ground. And then I always have some little like heeled flip-flops on me because honestly I've been wearing more flats lately, but I don't wear them a lot because I'm quite petite. I like having a little heel. So these are Mango. I also have a pair from Simon Miller. But here is an easy kind of look that I would wear to dinner, lunch, or exploring on a summer trip. I like kind of the unexpected color combo. And yeah, I threw in this little cuff that I can't remember where it's from. I think it's from Gamaguas, but I can't remember. Yeah, so here's this. Look number one. I don't know how many we're doing, but I have a lot laid out, so I'll just keep showing you as many as I can until I have to check out of this room. Okay, next up, we have this little dress from a small brand that I love called SC103. And I just love a drop waist. I think it's so flattering. It has this like jersey fabric at the top and a plaid fabric at the bottom. I got it from an LA store called Maymoon, and they only had a medium, so I got the medium and then had it taken in because it was just like slightly too much fabric. But it worked out, and I brought this on my trip because I just knew that I would love to have it as like an easy, comfy thing to throw on for dinners. This little bag is from Mr. Larkin in Copenhagen, one of my favorite boutiques there. And then the red sandals are from Paloma Wool, like last year. I don't know if they still have them, but once I broke them in, they're like the comfiest, cutest thing. And yeah, this is just like an easy throw on and go. I love the silhouette of the top. And I just think it's so cute and easy. Okay, next up. One of my favorite tops of all time, and I can say that confidently, is this top from Ciao Lucia. It's like a high-low, cropped, long, open situation. I just think it's absolutely genius. It's like a beach cover-up, but not, and like the silhouette is just, it's perfect. Like if I ever lose this top, I'll be so sad. It's literally my favorite thing ever. These shorts are from SC103 as well, the same brand as the dress. and they like go super high on the side, which I think is kind of cute for like the beach or whatever. I'm planning on wearing this in Greece next week. And then Raban sent me this little basket bag as a gift, and I just think it's such a fun little beach bag. There's nothing in it right now. We're playing dress up, okay? And then I just got these glasses from this brand called Flatlist in Copenhagen, and I like how they're like super light. You can wear them kind of like indoor, outdoor. And I just think they go cute with this. And then, guys, flip-flops, say what you will about them, but I love them for summer. How could you not? They're a classic. So here's how I would style this, maybe with a bathing suit underneath. And you're so cute to kind of like go off to lunch or whatever the day has in store. I'm very into like athletic shorts with kind of like a dressy, unexpected top. That's definitely one of my outfit formulas for summer. So yeah, here you have it. This is about as minimal as I get. I really like color and pattern, but sometimes a black outfit just works. So this top is from Guess-Do's. It's one of my favorite Copenhagen brands, and I got it on sale while I was in Copenhagen. So got this recently. It has like these little stud details, which I love anything with like grommets. Put on my little Shevoke black sunnies, and this skirt is from Remain, another Copenhagen brand. I love the like double layer effect. And then I have some Adidas black and green. I just love this for like a chic little like I'm exploring a new town, I'm shopping around, I'm having lunch. Chic, minimal, easy, which honestly is not normally my MO. So I think it's just when I'm packing and I'm traveling, I'm trying to have pieces that are like as versatile as possible. So that's kind of where these come in. And there's so many different ways to wear them, obviously. But I thought this skirt was such a cute find. Voila. Okay, can we just talk about this skirt that I got at Mr. Larkin in Copenhagen? Same place where this little bag is from, but like, I just feel like a present in the best way. Not so minimal, this one. Probably a little bit more expected for me is something a little bit more statement making like this. I paired it with a simple white tube top and some ballet flats because the skirt's already kind of like doing a lot. So sometimes when I wear something more statement making, I try to pair it with like a flat chill shoe so it's not like heels, bows, like just let the statement piece do the talking, if you will. I just think this is so cute for like a casual little dinner. I don't know, maybe it's not casual, but to me it is. But it's just really fun, and there's probably some other ways to tie it. I haven't really experimented with it yet, but I love packing just like basics, like white tube top, black halter top, black tank, white tank, pretty much on every trip I go on, even if it's winter to use as like base layers, but if it's summer, just to use as tops that you can wear kind of on repeat. So always pack your basic tees and tanks. They're kind of like, for me, they're like part of the foundation of any good vacation packing, honestly. So here's this. Yet again, very into athletic shorts with an unexpected top. So I got this vintage blue marine lace thing before my trip, or on my trip, and I just think it's the most beautiful thing. Like, look, I didn't button these because I was too lazy, but like, look at the detail. The sunnies are crap eyewear, and I just paired them with these like little sporty shorts. I forget where these are from. They're from this like little store at the Grove in LA, and then paired it with like a sporty bag. Paloma Wool was giving these out at their pop-up. And my flip-flops, by the way, the flip-flops are Rothy's. So comfy, great quality, won't give you blisters. So yeah, another cute kind of like beach look that I would wear. I have a bathing suit underneath, and I love how it doesn't really make sense and yet makes sense at the same time. That's always what I'm going for. Okay, another big resounding yes from me is bubble skirts. I'm really glad they're coming back. I wore them the first time around in 2008 or whenever that was, and now we're wearing them again. Also, let this just be the year of wearing a napkin. Like, why not? Take a napkin, add some straps. I'm kidding, that's not what this is. It's from The Garment, a Copenhagen brand. But it's so simple and lovely for summer. I just think it's so cute, even though it does look like you're wearing a napkin. Vintage little Prada canvas mini tote. And this is gonna be triggering for some of you. I know that. But just allow it. Remember these? Wait, is it not in focus? Do you remember these? Do you remember these? Because they're back. I got mine from my friend at Dodo Bazaar. I bought them from her, and she has them on her site. They're just the easiest beach shoe ever. Like, no need to spend on the row. Plastic, PVC, sandals, slip-ons, like, that are just gonna break in 2 seconds. These are obviously extremely affordable, but shockingly durable. So yeah, little simple black and white look here. I don't know how I tied this because I did it kind of quickly. But yeah, cute little bubble skirt look with a dainty little top. Can't go wrong. Okay, one more polka dot look just for good measure to just really drive home that I'm loving the polka dots right now. This is a vintage skirt. It's white denim with like navy blackish spots. And then I added this little belt from Caro Editions, it's called. Very into the wide belts. Making this video, I'm realizing all of the trends from the early 2000s that are coming back. The wide belts, the little embellished slippers, what else? The capris, which I haven't worn yet, but I've been wearing a lot on this trip. The bubble skirts. It's kind of crazy what's happening, but I'm here for it. Yeah, I just styled this again with a little bag from Mr. Larkin. These are, what are these? I forget. Velvet Canyon sunnies. And then I'm wearing some little clear heels from St. Agnes. I love packing like a clear heel like this for summer trips because they literally go with everything because they're clear. So easy little skirt look. These denim skirts are also like something I wore in middle school, high school, but here we are. I'm into it. What can I say? Okay, guys, last one for now, I think. Making a case for the micro shorts. Simple, black, little spandex short. Super comes in handy on vacation, I think. I'm wearing it with this little vintage top that I got from Paloma Vintage in Copenhagen. and the same little Paloma wool sandals. And I forgot the bag. I would probably just do it with this little beach bag. And I added a little headband. I like mixing stripes and patterns. I don't mind if they kind of clash. So yeah, another really cute, easy summer look. This top is just a dream. It has like the little Velcro on the sleeves. And it's just everything I want to wear in the summer. And then I added this little headband. What are my bangs doing? Who knows? So yeah, this is an outfit I've had in my head. And I think I'm just gonna wear it today around the villa that I'm staying at. I'm checking out, but I'm gonna hang out a bit. There's so many cute animals on the property, and there's a beautiful breakfast, lunch spread. So this is kind of the vibe for that. But yeah, the great thing about packing for summer is that things are just physically smaller. So like pack a pair of black spandex shorts, you can wear them a million times, and they don't take up like any room in your suitcase. Unlike this basket bag, which I'm gonna try and jam in there right now. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this styling video, and if you wanna see more styling videos like this one. Always open to your ideas of what you wanna see here. So this is the first styling video that I've done, and I really had fun doing it. And just getting to like try on and wear some of these outfits that I've had in my head. So definitely let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Bye.